Hi, welcome. As you can see, I'm doing this interview right now. See, I'm doing this right there for Haiti. Haiti is a country that needs to be built. If you leave any comment, I don't mind. Say leave any comment. Say that's what needs to be done to this country. If you're Haitian, you listen to me out there. Tell me what needs to be done in this country because we have a country that can be built. We have a country that will need a system to be built. A system that can be built, a system that will work for everybody. As you can see, a lot of leaders go to Haiti, say like Hillary Clinton, she just went to Haiti, and Bill Clinton just went to Haiti. They see this country, they want to help this country. But first of all, say the Haitian people have to help themselves. We need to build a system. We need to do something, say we don't need like for people all the time, say to helping us. We need to help in ourselves. Haiti is a country that it's beautiful. It has a lot of potential. Potential, say everybody in Haiti, say need to be working. As you can see right now, there's gonna be a new government that's gonna come out. It's gonna come in. And we need to do something about the country. Because a lot of people that live outside of the Haiti, like the diaspora, they love the country. They love to go back to the country to do something. But in order for them to do something, say they have to have a system in the country that call them to come to work in the country. They cannot just go to the country without not have anything to do. The country have to provide them a little something. That's why on Jack TV, say I'm always talk about how we can build a system in Haiti, a system that could build the country. Because we have such a beautiful country like Haiti. If you look Labadie, I don't know if you've been to Labadie, it's a nice place. Go check it out. If you're a visitor, support tourism back to Haiti. We talk about that in Jack TV. As you can see the link I'm put on the left and the right hand side, you could check Jack TV on the link on the right hand side, where you could see Jack TV where we're talking about Haiti. But we must focus in Creole. But I'm looking at this thing right now, say I need everybody to help Haiti. If you can send any donation, send a donation. I'm gonna leave my email address there, where you could send a donation by PayPal. Where I'm helping kids in Haiti. Those kids I'm helping, say they don't have no parents. Some of them they don't have no parents. Where I'm helping them, say to feed them. Where we send them to school. Where we give them, say the knowledge they need to have in order for them to move on in the future. Because the kids, they are the future and the tomorrow for Haiti. That's why I'm here. I'm doing this thing for Haiti. Haiti is a country. It's a country like every country. As they say, we're the poorest country in the atmosphere in the Caribbean. We rich people too. We gotta mind. We gotta provide our riches in the mind. We gotta do a lot of things. The Asian people have to have the kind of conscience to themselves to say, hey, you know what? We have to help ourselves out where in the situation in the hole that we are. Because the new government got gonna come in, say they have to do something for the kids that live in the street every day. That's always begging for money. Whenever you go to Haiti, say to the airport, say those kids they always line up outside of the airport to begging for money. Therefore, we have to do something about that. They have something to those kids. They're supposed to be in school. Those kids supposed to be in a place where they get an education, so they could help the country tomorrow in the future. Like there's other places, say that we need to do. We have a lot of development that we need to do in Haiti, to build Haiti, to build the country, to have roads, to have this new technology that come into Haiti, new solar system, we put to give energy, electricity, wind power, all those things, say that could be done in Haiti. But the government, say we need to do something. We need to provide the kind of help that the country needs. Say we need to build university. Say we need to build school that could give these kids, say the education that way we could have a good education in Haiti, where we could be able to do certain things. Say people will be surprised that Haitian capable of doing. Therefore, we capable of doing that because Jesus give us God give us the knowledge, the mind, the intelligence that we need in order for us to do certain things also like everybody else. He doesn't discriminate anybody. God people create us equally in order for us to do certain things, say good things. We're a good country. We're good people. We Asian people. We're good people. We love our country also. Like everybody else, they know the way they love their country. Therefore, I'm here to talk to all Asian, not just Asian, to everybody. This country needs your help. If you send your donation to me, I will help those kids. Say that you see that it's something video that I put there. Sending you the video that I put there. I'm helping those kids. My father put that legacy already. Just a dollar, whatever it is, say that will be helping for. Because a dollar could do a lot for those kids in Haiti. I'm here I'm not just asking you, I'm begging you. The country need help. Haiti need help. Everybody need to do something about this country because this country have a history, a black history. The first country that took independence. Every black people supposed to looking at this country as a country they're supposed to invest in it. A country they're supposed to invest in it because that's the country, say that put the potential out there, say to say, you know what, we stand up to take independence, and they set that example to all the other countries that take their independence, all the other black people, say that take their independence, all the black countries that take their independence. Every black people supposed to invest. Michael Jordan, Michael Jackson, all those other leaders out there, say that live outside the country, they're supposed to go out there and invest in Haiti. So therefore, I'm gonna leave you there with Haiti. Haiti is a country that needs help from every other nation, especially black people. Yes, you listen to me. So stay tuned. We have more stuff to comment up to. Check on my more link. So we have a lot of things to talk about Haiti. Good things will be good. Good things will happen in Haiti. I see that in my dream. And therefore I will see Haiti a beautiful country like every other Caribbean country. Every beautiful country like other beautiful country out there.